I know how I sound, man. You think I don't know how I sound? I know. You know what I mean? My asshole grandson says I sound like Squidward. He's a bitch-ass nigga, man. Fuck him. No, look, man, I love him, but I don't like him. He gonna come to me on Father's Day. You know you're not my favorite grandfather, right? I'm like, you're not my favorite grandson, asshole. He's an asshole. I'm gonna punch him right in the back of his head. Soon this hand gets better.